Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing the viral, I guess TikTok clip hairstyle. So this will be my first time actually trying this hairstyle. Never did it before. Never had anything even close to how it is. I went to the hair store. Oh y'all, my energies is not messing with me today. I got 4 packs of this one 24-inch straight hair, about $10 per pack. Then I wanted a little bit like highlights, so I have 27 is the name of the number of the color. Same inch, 24. This is the same price, $10. Only got 1 pack of this. So all in total, I have 5 packs. I might not need the full 5, but I didn't want to start my hair and had to leave back out to go get some extra, so just got extra. And then I got some got to be spray, a black wig cap, some glue, and some what is these called? Rapid styling strips to wrap around my hair when I do the ponytail piece. Instead of using gel over my cap, I'm just gonna use got to be spray just to, I feel like it would do the same thing, still protect it either way. I think just a little faster and dry faster. My flat irons and my blow dryer. We're gonna take these out and go here and section it.
I can't believe I believed everything we had would last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. So dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, we'll lose one then. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Cause I realize I gotta be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my...
Okay, now for the back, I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it into 3 under braids just to make sure it's flat.
Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so...
Oh, and you can't forget the oil. So I'm definitely making sure I'm putting that under the braids since it's going to be under the cap.
It feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I've got to be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself and I know that I will never disappoint myself. 1,000 times. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm spent with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way.
So when I was using the got to be spray, I did spray 1 good saturated layer, blow dried it, and then sprayed another layer, and then blow dried it again. So now you're just going to go from side to side to measure how long the tracks are supposed to be. You can go 1 piece at a time like I did, or you can measure multiple pieces before applying the glue and applying them on your head. Alright guys, so now I'm going to jump to when I'm almost finished, just so this video won't be long. say this hair feels super good for it to only be $10. But now to the hard part. When I tell y'all it took me so long to cut this net because I was afraid of cutting my hair. So before flat ironing my hair, I'm going to add some She Silk Infusion just to make sure my hair is nice and shiny. So for the ponytail part, I'm not really worried about flat ironing my hair all the way to the ends. I'm just mainly worried about the roots because that's the part you will see. I'm going to go ahead and use a scrunchie to hold the hair in place while I go ahead and use the Got To Be spray and the wax stick to mold my hair before adding my rubber band on. I recommend doing what I did, which is spraying the hair by section and then drying, compared to spraying the whole ponytail and then drying the whole ponytail. It will just make your life way more difficult than it need to be. Alright, so now I'm going to take one styling strip and wrap it around my hair, but I'm going to use the Got To Be glue to help it stick to my plait. Now for the front, I am also going to add some She, but this time with flat ironing it, I'm going to make sure I flat iron all the way to the ends.
To know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the.
Now, just like the ponytail, we're going to use the wax stick to smooth the hair into place, and then we're going to use the Got To Be spray to mold it.
Should make a move.
Okay, so I am going to spray the entire section with a little bit got to be sprayed and then dry it. And then I'm going to basically do half and half. So I'm going to do the top half with a little bit got to be sprayed, dry it. And then the second half with it got to be sprayed and dry it just to make sure it's completely molded. Before doing a half and half got to be spray thing that I just told you guys about, I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair into a ponytail. That will basically hold your hair flat, and then it will also tuck your hair. Now for the back pieces that we tucked, this is optional. I will go ahead and spray that with some got to be and dry it just to make sure it's tucked and stays in place.
I can't believe I believed everything we had would last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter.
Okay, now since I'm done the front, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 styling strips just to make sure everything stays in place while I'm doing the ponytail. Okay, now, so for the ponytail, I wanted to have just a little bit of highlight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little piece of the gold, cut it, and glue it to the black piece of track. Now I'm just going to add glue in like a big thick line down the styling strip. That way I can just wrap the hair around that way instead of adding glue onto the hair and wrapping around. Now when I'm done gluing the hair down the ponytail, I'm going to go ahead and grab a little piece and wrap it around the root just so you're not able to see the track line. Now, this part is optional too, but I wanted to cut some of the hair off the ponytail just so it didn't lay flat or long. I wanted it short and like with a little volume. Alright guys, so this is how it came out. It's cute. Cute. I think I want to thin out the bottom a little, but I don't have any finishes here with me at the moment. So when I get to my next location, they have some. I want to thin it out just a little. But for the most part, I like it. Y'all, it was a struggle trying to get this part to fall how I wanted it to fall. But I guess you just gotta like play with it really and like tweeze it so it doesn't be so, flat. But anyways, this is how it came out. Cute, cute. Alright, so I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I probably could have made the ponytail a little thicker. Not me still messing with it after I just said. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Decide you like yourself, when you decide you need someone, when you don't have to